On this channel, we've gone over tons of different off-road gear and equipment, but today we're going to go over Amazon's most overlooked overland and camping essentials. Now, as most of you already know, whether we take the Rubicon 392 or the Bronco Raptor out on the next adventure, I always like to make sure I have all the gear and equipment that I need. Now, we finally got a beautiful day outside, but the wind is so insane. Instead of showing you all this stuff outside, I'm going to have to show it to you in the garage. Now, whenever it comes to overland off-road gear and equipment, one thing you have to keep in mind is actually being able to store and transport all of the equipment in your vehicle. And if it does require assembly and disassembly every time you use it, it's going to be super simple. That's the whole point of all the awesome products for overlanding. Now, this first product is something that I've put off for forever because I haven't found something that can be packaged this small and is also useful at the same time. Now, any of you guys that go out camping, overlanding, or maybe just a quick off-road adventure are going to know just how valuable something like this can be. This is a super compact folding table from Fanttik. Now, the uses for a table like this are literally endless out on the trail, but whenever you get done riding for the whole day, or maybe you just want to set up to have a little lunch, having a table like this is invaluable, especially with my little one running around. Having a place to really set everything up and prepare is super helpful. Now, for this table, it's going to look short at first, which for me is super helpful, especially for the little one.
What? I like your table.
Thanks. Is that just the right size for you?
Yeah, what?
But if normal people plan on using it too. And now I've got a 4-foot tall collapsible table that folds up into the tiniest package. Now, for a lot of these products, just like this Fanttik folding height adjustable table, you're going to find in the link in the description below, I've got them listed. So this one's only $89, but on most of these, I've tried to work with the companies that send them out to give you guys exclusive discount codes. So you'll see discount codes just like this right here that are going to be able to give you up to 25% off on some of these products. So if you are interested in any of these, please go down in the link in the description below and check them out. What else do you need to go with the table?
A chair.
A chair?
Yeah.
Now, just like most other people, I've always carried around a traditional camp chair, and we all know if you get a good quality one, they are super heavy, and obviously they take up a ton of space, especially if you're carrying more than one. But what if I told you could get a better chair than what's in that in a little bag just like this? So that is where this campsite chair comes into play. This is another product by Fanttik Outdoor, and I've been super impressed with just how comfortable it is. You think it's comfy?
Yeah.
So for this, the setup could not be any easier, and the disassembly could not be any easier either. It tightens up into a little package you can throw into the back of the vehicle and pull out whenever you need it. Now, for those of you that don't know, the price of these campsite chairs can get absolutely ridiculous. So with Fanttik, they actually offer this at a great price of only about $89. Now, for that price, you're getting a high quality chair that's really going to stand up to the test of time. But not only that, it is super comfortable. And as you can see, it fits a full-size adult too, and it does have the rocking feature too, so you can really lean back and enjoy the rest of the day whenever you finally get to your campsite. So to have a super convenient chair just like this is an absolute essential. It takes up no space, and for the price, it's super hard to beat. Now, for this next product, it's something that everyone should have, but not everybody's going to use. So this is basically my little cook set, and what I have here are some Coleman silverware stuff, so Coleman utensils. With this right here, this cook set, I believe it was 20 pieces. It's got a big pot, a little pot, it's got some cups in it right here. So all these are stainless cups, 4 of them with the little covers right here. So I guess if you put something hot in it, not going to burn your hand. Then also in this little kit, it did come with like these collapsible utensils. So you flip them out, and then you've got a fork, spoon. It's got a few of them in here. Then after that, it came with plates. So it's got a set of 4 plates. It's got these they feel like fabric in here, I guess, just to keep everything quiet whenever you're transporting it. Then also it's got this little frying pan with the quick handle right there. Now they make kits like this that go all the way up to hundreds of dollars, but for this kit it was only 34 bucks, so it's really not that bad. And I think for the price it's definitely worth having. And then whenever you're done with all of it, it packages right back up. So for me, this little kit is just about everything that I need. And for the price, why not have it? Now this next product is one that I know everyone already knows about, but it doesn't seem like many people take them off-road. Now for me, what I really plan to use this for camping-wise is for those long-term trips whenever we're going to be setting up a campsite and staying there for a few days. This is basically a solo stove. This is made by Warm Bond, and it has a few extra features that most of the others don't have. It does have the cooktop there with the hood. But you can also remove that cooktop there and use it as a traditional solo stove, a smokeless fire pit. So for these, they're great at campsites. You don't have to worry about the smoke once you get it up to temperature. But even better than that, I use this at home more than anything. It's super convenient. You don't have to have a fire pit. You don't have to have a designated area. They've got the legs on the bottom there with rubber bottoms with just enough space to where you can even set this on your wood deck and have a fire right there. It's perfect for so many different situations. Now for these, they run in the price ranges of anywhere from $100 to maybe $300, $400. Now I believe this specific model is currently unavailable right now. As you can see, I've got burned stuff all over. I've burnt just about everything you can think of in this box, but it's great for just having a little fire pit and cooking whatever you want on that grate. I've done that a couple times and it is a lot of fun. But with this one, it also came with some extra goodies. It's got our tongs, it's got marshmallow sticks, hot dog sticks right there that I've definitely put to good use. And then aside from all that stuff, it also comes with a carry case so you can put all this in one nice and convenient place to carry. Now this is not light, it's pretty awkward to carry. If you have two people, it's way easier. One person can definitely manage. Now like I said, this specific model is discontinued as of now, but I'll find something similar and attach it down in the description. I think this is a great product for those long-term trips, especially if you're packing extra gear and you're taking along a trailer. If you've got the space, this is definitely an awesome product to have out with you. Now for the sake of not being annoyingly repetitive, I'm going to list a couple of products that I think are absolute essentials for pretty much any situation, but I have listed them in other videos. The first thing is a campsite light. This one's actually made by Novasight. It works great. You can take this off right here and use it as a, more of a spot beam light. You can change the colors if you want more of a yellow light or a traditional LED light. The battery time lasts forever, and you can actually charge devices with it out on the trail. The next thing I want to mention has got to be some good first aid. If you're going to be out on a longer adventure or just out for a few days, having a pretty good and in-depth medic kit or first aid kit is super crucial. And then for the next product is going to be a 72-hour kit for food. So this has got all the food you need for 72 hours. In situations where you are going on longer camping or overlanding trips, it might take longer to get to your destination, or you may decide to stay longer than what you originally planned for. So having some extra food is good, and you could always run into the occasion of maybe you have one of those portable refrigerators and for some reason all the food went bad because it didn't work. So having a backup of food is super crucial on those longer trips. The next product is the most simple product on the list, just a tarp. A tarp's got 1,000 different uses, and in every video that I've included it, people always say it's a good ad, so I definitely think it fits for today's video as well. And then last and certainly not least for this category has got to be a hammock. Now you guys have probably seen in a past video where I showed you how you can use this in a Bronco or Jeep Wrangler for solo camping. You can set it up inside your vehicle, be 100% weatherproof and good to go. It's a super simple setup. If you haven't seen that video, you should go back and check it out. But a hammock is definitely a great add. But then again, if you have more than one person, a hammock really is not going to do, especially for the setup that I used it for. So that's where the next product is going to come into play. Now this next product is exactly what you need whenever you're trying to sleep more than one person on your camping or overland adventure. Now, if you guys haven't noticed already, we've already shown a couple of Fanttik products, and this is another product made by Fanttik. You may be catching on to a trend here. I have used a lot of Fanttik stuff in the past, but they're actually today's sponsor of the video. So they've actually sent us out one of their all new tents, and I'm super excited to see it. So as you can see right here, It's a pretty large package, but it's also pretty light. Now this is actually their Alpha C4 Ultra Instant Cabin. And if the description doesn't tell you everything you need to know, this thing is supposed to be super simple to set up and take down. Now for the type of riding I do, I've always been against the rooftop tents simply because I can't afford that extra clearance. It really does limit a lot of the trails you can go on, especially for the area that I live in. So having a tent whenever you're trying to sleep multiple people is an absolute must. Now all the instructions for setting it up are all in this little diagram. So if it's that easy, I'm going to be blown away. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, that was the simplest process I've ever had. That is absolutely insane. Now, this is a 4-person tent, so as you can see, I'm standing in the corner here right now. It's actually made to suit 2 people and a lot of gear, or you can fit 4 people in here pretty darn comfortably. Now, they also have this set up to where you can fit a queen-size bed in here, which is super crazy. But you saw how easy it was to set up, and that's why I liked it so much, because for these overlanding trips or just your normal camping trip, setting up and taking down your camp every night is super annoying. So whenever you've got something like this that makes it easy, it's an absolute lifesaver. Now you can see it's got all these vents right here, so they still have bug screens on it. I know it's hard to see on camera, and then they've even got them up here too. So you can let in as much light, as much of the wind as you possibly want. And this is a weatherproof design. Now it does have a rain tarp over there for it as well, so you can cover it up if it is going to rain. But the way that this thing is set up is absolutely crazy. What do you think?
Did you know you can get out here too?
Yeah, it's got a door there as well as a door here, so it's a really good setup. Now we got some crazy winds out here today, like I've already said, but I'm super blown away by like the overall construction. I mean, this thing is super simple to put up, but it's also got some really good quality zippers, and all the stitching looks really nice as well. Now the tarp on the top, once you put that on there, it is weatherproof, and then the sides are weatherproof too, but I don't know if this would be the best tent for a monsoon. But for your normal situations where you are going to be out on the trail or out camping, this is going to be absolutely perfect. I mean, look how much open air that you can get when you want it. Now let's see just how easy the disassembly really is. Well, all in all, it took about 3 minutes to get it all back into the bag. And let me say, this is probably the first tent that I've ever put back in the bag that easily. Like I said, if you are interested in getting one of these products for a great price, check out the link in the description below and use the discount codes that are listed there. But I've still got one last product to show you guys before we wrap it all up. Now, the last product is something that I always keep in the Jeep. So let me pull it out of the way. That way I can show you. Now this product is something I believe you need all the time, and it's not the fire extinguisher, although that's probably a good mention. This is what you're going to use more than any other tool once you get to camp. And this is actually something you can get on Amazon. Now, in one of the previous videos, I posted a couple items that apparently people didn't know you could buy on Amazon. So at least in the United States, you can buy all kinds of stuff like this on Amazon. This is a axe from Gerber, and I mean, it is absolutely perfect for splitting wood and anything at the campsite. You can tell it's got the wedge blade right here, so it splits wood perfectly. And then you've also got the hammer on the back side. Aside from that, you also have the ability to store some extra stuff in the compartment right here. It's got power cord, and it does have a spot for a couple lighters. But this is a great addition to take with you and keep with you all the time. It's not going to take up too much space, and it is super helpful whenever you're out overlanding, camping, whatever the case may be. But I hope this list of items gave you guys a good insight into some of the best products that I've found for overlanding and camping. And a huge thank you to Fanttik for sponsoring today's video and sending out some of the coolest products that we had. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. But until then, Godspeed.